I'm here to talk about baby gear that you actually need. Because there is so much stuff out there and it can be really hard to decide what you actually need for your baby. So today we're talking strollers, car seats, and cribs. All three of these big ticket items can be really overwhelming when you're shopping for them. So let's break it down piece by piece. Okay, first up, strollers. When you're choosing a stroller, you want to think about how you're going to use it and where you're going to use it. If you live in a city or you are planning on doing a lot of walking with your stroller, you might want to choose something that's lightweight and easy to maneuver, like a single stroller. If you have a larger house or you're planning on using it for jogging, you might want something with larger wheels. And if you have twins or you're planning on using it for off-roading, you might want a double stroller. Another thing to consider is the type of terrain you'll be using it on. If you live in a city, you might want a stroller that can easily maneuver over rough terrain. If you live in a more rural area, you might not need one that can do that. And some strollers are better in the snow than others. So keep that in mind as well. Car seats, you want to make sure that you choose one that is appropriate for your child's age and weight. You also want to make sure that it's easy to install and use. One of the biggest mistakes I see parents making when choosing a car seat is not getting one that is appropriate for their child's age and weight. Make sure to read the manual and follow the instructions carefully. If you're not sure which car seat is right for you, ask a friend or family member who has a similar car seat to help you out. And finally, cribs. When you're choosing a crib, you want to make sure that it meets current safety standards. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has some great resources on their website to help you choose a safe crib. You'll also want to choose a crib that's the right size for your space. Measure your room before you go shopping so you know what will fit. And finally, choose a crib that's easy to assemble. You don't want to be struggling to put it together when you could be spending time with your new baby. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to ask for help from a friend, family member, or professional. You can also check out online reviews to get an idea of what other parents are using and loving. With so many great options out there, you're sure to find the perfect gear for your baby.